Hey, what's up everyone? It's how-to videos here. Quick tutorial on how to properly aerate your lawn with a tow behind attachment. It's a good example of all the work that I've just done. See, this grass needs to be refreshed, and of course the same exact tactic I'm going to take on the other parts of my lawn. Right now I'm cutting it down about 2.5. Sitting on my mower, I got about 140 pounds of sand on the back, maybe 120, give or take some sand I've lost along the way. But this is what setting I've got. Check out my mower, and honestly just take passes up and down, left, right. This doesn't really hurt your lawn. It's not like you're gonna rip out any grass seed. It's good to aerate it, and you hope that the grass seeds will wind up in here. And then after that, I'm gonna show you the next step on my future video around the lawn roller and how I'm going to use that in conjunction with how to have a perfect lawn. Let's look at that grass. Ooh, that looks beautiful. That's cut down to 2.5. I mean, if that was cut at 3.5 or 4, it would look very luscious. So April coming at you fast. I'm going to finish this job and plant a whole bunch of grass seed, overseeding tonight. Excited to show you the next edition, probably about 2 weeks from now, and this is all fully matured and all the grass seed has germinated.
Yes, this last segment, I just wanted to at least give you guys thanks again for all the new subscribers out there. Really appreciate you guys. Keep me going. This is a quick video, right, just on spiking your lawn, keeping it not only fresh for the fall, the spring, and showing your kids love jumping and playing on it at the same time. So more power to you. Weekend more to your dads. Again, just wanted to also call out the fact that this is the slow-mo version of the spikes. So see me as I kind of cruise on through here. It looks really neat, but anyways, fun, easy to do, helping you guys sort those lawns out ASAP. So how-to videos signing out. Peace.